Good morning, viewers. You are welcome to this presentation on Amlaki, the pride of Ayurveda, a well-known and well-established plant in Ayurveda. Name of the drug is Amla. The synonyms include Amlang, Amlaki, Ambala, Amalika, Aula, Nallikai, and in Assamese it is known as Amlaki. The biological source consists of dried as well as fresh fruits pericarp of the plant, Amblica officinalis girt or Phyllanthus amblica Linn, belonging to the family Euphorbiaceae. It contains not less than 1% weight by weight of gallic acid calculated on dry basis. Let us see the distribution of Amlaki. The geographical distribution, if we see basing on the temperate and climatic regions, in temperate Asia, it is found in China, where mostly in Fujian, Guangdong, Jiangxi and Yannan. In Eastern Asia, it is available in Taiwan. In tropical Asia, it is basically available in Indian subcontinent, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and in India, mainly in Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Gujarat, Punjab, West Bengal, Tripura, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Some of the other states also have these plant in abundance. In Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka also it is abundantly available. And if we see Indo-Chinese climatic condition, then we get Cambodia, Laos, Thailand and Vietnam are having abundance of this drug either in wastelands or in cultivated as well. And in Malaysia, it will be available in Indonesia, Java, Kalimantan and Sumatra. The taxonomical profile of this plant is the kingdom Plantae. It belongs to the clade Angiosperms, subclade Eudicoids, and another subclade Rosids, and order belongs to Malpighiales. Family is Euphorbiaceae, hence the name of the species is Phyllanthus amblica. Now let us see the botanical description of the tree. It is a small to medium in size, reaching 1 to 8 meter in height, which if converted into feet, it becomes like 3 feet and 3 inches to 26 feet and 3 inches in height. The trunk is slightly curved and the branches are scattered around. The bark of Amla plant is grey with hard reddish wood. It has a yellowish green or pinkish color flower. Fruit of the tree is pale yellow in color, round in shape and has 6 vertical strips. The ripened Amla fruit is hard and weighs approximately between 60 and 70 grams. The leaves are lighter in weight, linear and long in shape, and smells like lemon, and leaflets are arranged in pinnate shape. When we see the microscopic character of the fruit, the color of the fruit is green in color, changes to light yellow and brick red in maturity. The odor of the fruit is odorless. It tastes sour and astringent. The size of the fruit, average size is between 1.5 to 2.5 in diameter. The shape is depressed and globular. Some extra features to include are fruits are fleshy, obscurely four-lobed with 6 trigonous seeds. They are very hard and smooth in appearance. When we see the microscopic character, extremely large rosette or shards of calcium oxalate, some as small as a few 1 micrometer in the form of sand are available, observed at 400 resolution with acidified chloral hydrate glycerol solution. Large parenchyma with wrinkled cell walls and crystal sands are observed at 400 resolution with acidified chloral hydrate glycerol solution. Now if you see the Amlaki Gunakarma, Amlang sa madhurang tiktang kasayang katukang saram chaksusyang sarva dosagnang vrishyam amlaki phalam hanti vat tad amlatvat pittang madhurya setyatah kafang ruksa kasayatvat phalebhyo abhyarikang cha tat. As per Susut Samhita 46 chapter 143 to 144 slok, it is Amla, Madhura, Tikta, Kashai and Katurasa. Except Lavana, it has all the 5 rasas, and Amla Pradhan, it has Saraguna. It is Chaksushya, means it is helpful for eye disorders. Sarva Dosagnang, it alleviates all the 3 types of vitiated dosas. Vrishyam, it is aphrodisiac, Amlaki phalam. Hanti vata tad amlatvat. Hanti means it destroys vata tad amlatvat by virtue of its amla rasa. Pittang madhurya setyataha, it destroys vitiated pitta by virtue of its madhur rasa and sita virya. Kafang ruksa kasayatva, it destroys vitiated kapha by virtue of its ruksha guna and kasai rasa. The rasa panchaka of it is rasa lavan barjita pancharasa amla pradhan, guna saraguna and ruksha guna, sita biriya, and it is madhura in vipak. Dosagnata include bata samana due to amla rasa, pitta samana due to madhur and sita guna, kapha samana due to ruksha and kasai rasa. Now let us see the chemical constituents of it. Type of chemical constituents on the left of the table and the chemical constituents of that type in the right of the table. Among the tannins and into that hydrolyzable tannins, we get amylcanin A and B, punigluconin, pedunculagin, cebulinic acid, cebulic acid, corylazine and zearanin along with illegotannin. Alkaloids include phyllanthine, phylembin and phyllanthidine. Phenolic compounds include gallic acid, methyl gallate, ellagic acid, trigallyl glucose. Amino acids include glutamic acid, proline, aspartic acid, alanine, cysteine and lysine. Carbohydrates, pectin and vitamins, ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C. Flavonoids include quercetin and camphorol. Organic acids include citric acid. Now let us see the uses of it. Fresh amla, these are available in season in Indian stores. You can eat amla slices raw with salt and spices like in India, or you can mix a teaspoonful of honey with fresh amla slices. Honey balances the taste of amla, which is tart. Dried amla fruit can be chewed on, but be aware that they may have a lot of sugar added to it. In India, the candied prickle is called amla murabba. Amla powder, organic versions are available in the market and can be mixed with water, honey or yogurt to be made into a hair or a face mask. Amla oil, the oil helps to strengthen the hair, prevents premature graying and stops hair fall. Amla juice, taking amla juice diluted with water early in the morning on an empty stomach helps keep the digestive system healthy and aids in managing blood sugar levels. Now you can see one pictorial demonstration along with the fruit in between. It reduces amount of free radicals associated with aging. Amla fruit enriches hair growth and pigmentation. Amla fruit increases urination and thus eliminates unwanted toxins. It absorbs calcium and keeps body looking great and healthy. Improves immunity and protects body against infection. It treats menstrual cramps and fever. Flushes out toxins that causes diarrhea and dysentery. It aids in digestion, improves appetite and helps to gain weight. Now let us see some references from our classics. Amlaki as Nitya Rasayana. Amlaki Rasayan, when it is used on daily basis, gives Indriya Vala Briddhi. It is Bayasthapaka. Amlaka Ghrita, Indriya Strirata, Valya, Medhya, Vrishya. Amlaka Avaleha, Dirghayu, Swasthya, Sharirika and Manasika Balabridhi. Brahma Rasayan, Dirghayu and Trannata. Chavanprasa, given in Valahina and Chaya. To continue the uses of Amla in treatment, Amla powder is used to treat cardiac disease. It has action on diabetes, blood sugar, eye tonic, impedes constipation and helps in jaundice. Amla juice used in blood purification, acts on diabetes, acts on cold and cough, gout and piles. Amla paste is good for respiratory disorder, urinary problem, migraine, therapy for diarrhea, prevents skin damage, act against pimple, as natural mouth freshener, immune system enhancer, and it has antivenom activity. Amla oil ameliorates eyesight, hinders gallbladder disorder, good for reproductive health. Now let us see some of examples that contains amla. Dabur Chyawanprash, each 100 gram contains 90 gram of Amlica officinalis. Patanjali Triphala Gugulu, that contains 16% of Amlica officinalis. Patanjali Amrit Rasayana, each 5 gram contains 989 milligram of Amlica officinalis. Dabura Triphala Churna contains each 5 gram 1.66 gram of Amlica officinalis. Dabura Vatika enriched coconut oil with hibiscus contains each 100 ml oil contains 0.1 gram of Amlica officinalis. Now let us see some latest research on Amlaki. Amlaki has shown chemoprotective action on skin carcinogenesis or skin cancers. Rationality of Rasayan therapy is it is adaptogenic, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Lot of research work is going on in the field of ethno-veterinary science. Inhibition of reductase by tenoid, inhibition of aldose reductase by tenoid principle of Amlaki. It has implications for the prevention of diabetic cataract. Amlaki is abundantly used in cosmetology. So this is all about our pride drug Amlaki. Let us go into it. Let us have some discussion in later classes also. Thank you so much for watching.